Hi, this is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to take a walk through this 2019 25-foot Scout. This particular boat has twin 150 Yamahas on it. They do have the digital throttles, which is a nice upgrade. As we get to the transom here, you'll see there's rod holders all the way across. We've got 5 rod holders here. Rod holders up the gunnel, additional ones here, as well as the rocket launchers and the hardtop, so you got plenty of rod storage on the boat. There's a live well here in the transom, and then we have a second one in the leaning post here. Then there's a slide out cooler here as well. This back seat here does fold out. So if you need extra seating or go into the sandbar or anything, that is a nice big seat in the transom there. As we make our way to the helm, this boat has a 12-inch Garmin in it. The Garmin is tied into the Yamaha, so you can pull up all your engine information there. You can control the stereo through that Garmin too, which is pretty neat. Again, digital throttles, that's a nice upgrade on a boat this size. Then we have a Garmin VHF up here also. Inside the console here you can see quite a bit of room in there, plenty of room if you need to use the head, also a bunch of room for storage in there. It's a nice comfortable seating in the bow here. A neat feature up here is that this front will actually lay down to be a table. Windlass here also, you can control it from these two controls here or from the helm. And then there's additional storage in front of the console here. Kind of a second cooler basically. And then also have a nice fish box in the floor there as well. Again, my name is Carl Fleming with MarineMax at Stuart. If you'd like more information on this boat or if you'd like to schedule